If you're thinking about a Tesla tiny house for retirement, there's one question that matters more than price, solar panels, or square footage. What happens in year 5 and year 10? Most videos focus on the upfront number, $5,000, $25,000, affordable living. But retirees don't fail financially at checkout. They fail over time. After analyzing hundreds of real comments from retirees across the country, one truth stands out clearly. The real cost of a tiny house isn't what you pay today. It's what you're still paying every single month, long after the excitement fades, and more importantly, whether you truly own your home or whether someone else controls your future. Today, we're breaking down the real 10-year cost of a Tesla tiny house, including the expenses nobody advertises, the risks most people overlook, and the single decision that determines whether this becomes your smartest retirement move or your biggest financial regret. This is not clickbait. This is the long-term math retirees deserve. 1. What you're actually buying. The 3 layers. When you see a Tesla tiny house online, it looks like one product. In reality, you're buying into 3 separate layers, each with its own cost and risk. Layer 1, the house itself. This is the structure. Roughly 250 square feet of steel frame construction, composite walls, solar capability, and battery storage. Based on comparable prefab systems and leaked documentation, estimated pricing ranges from $5,983 for a basic shell up to $22,900 for a fully off-grid package with solar and Powerwall style storage. Important reminder, Tesla has not released official pricing. These numbers are projections, not guarantees. But here's the key point. The house itself is rarely the financial problem. Layer 2, the land. This is where everything changes. If you don't own the land under your home, you don't own your living situation. According to leaked information, Tesla may offer a land lease model, possibly 2 years free, then estimated $299 to $499 per month, depending on location. Let's be conservative, $400 per month. Over 10 years, that's $48,000. That's double the cost of the house itself, and lease terms can change. Land control, not house price, is the biggest financial risk. Layer 3, life support costs. Energy, insurance, internet, maintenance, permits, zoning compliance. These costs never stop. For retirees on fixed income, this layer determines whether the plan works or collapses. 2. The real 10-year cost. 3 scenarios. Let's put real numbers on this. Scenario A, you own the land. Best case. You already own land in a tiny home-friendly state like Texas, Arizona, or Florida. Upfront costs. Tiny house, full package, around $22,900. Site prep, $2,000 to $5,000. Permits, $500 to $2,000. Utility setup, $1,000 to $3,000. Total upfront, $26,400 to $32,900, not including land purchase. This is the strongest scenario. You have control, stability, predictability. Scenario B, you lease the land. Most common, highest risk. Year 1, house, $22,900. Insurance plus internet, around $2,000. Year 1 total, $24,900. Years 3 through 10, after free lease period. Land lease, total around $4,800 per year. Insurance, $800. Maintenance, $1,000. Internet, $1,200. Repairs reserve, $500. Annual, total around $8,300. And here's the risk no promo video mentions. Lease terms can change. Rates can rise. Zoning rules can shift. You can be forced to move. You own the house, but not your future. Scenario C, traditional alternatives. Let's compare fairly. Apartment rental, $1,200 to $1,800 per month. 10 years, $144,000 to $216,000. No ownership. RV living. RV purchase, $40,000 to $80,000. Lot fees, $400 to $800 per month. 10-year total, $120,000 to $180,000. Heavy depreciation. Compared to that, a tiny house only wins financially if you control the land. 3. Why solar isn't really free. Solar works, but it isn't magic. Sunlight reality. Arizona and Nevada, excellent. Pacific Northwest and New England, limited winter production. Florida, sun and hurricane risk. Battery degradation. After 10 years, lithium batteries typically retain 70 to 80% capacity. That means a major decision in year 10. Replace battery, thousands of dollars, or add grid or generator backup. 10-year energy cost. Best case, $500 to $2,000. Worst case, $10,000 to $15,000. Still cheaper than utilities, but not free forever. 4. The expenses that sneak up on you. Window seals wear out, roof inspections, solar panel cleaning, mechanical bed systems, filter replacements. Maintenance, $5,000 to $10,000 over 10 years. Insurance. Tiny homes on leased land cost 30 to 50% more to insure. Internet. Starlink is often required, $100 to $120 per month, around $12,000 to $14,400 over 10 years. 5. Zoning, the real deal breaker. Zoning is hyperlocal. What's legal in one county can be illegal 5 miles away. Minimum square footage rules, HOA restrictions, foundation requirements. You must verify county-level approval in writing before buying anything. Do not rely on sales claims. 6. The retirement reality check. Ask yourself honestly, do I own land? Can I afford $600 to $900 long-term? What happens if my health declines? Can this be modified for mobility? Can I sell it if I need to move? If you're 65, this home must still work at 80. The Tesla tiny house is not a scam, but it is not a miracle. It works brilliantly for retirees who own land, sunny states, modest savings buffer, comfortable with simple living. It carries serious risk for land leasers, tight fixed incomes, strict zoning states, mobility or health concerns. This is a tool, not a guarantee. Comment Tesla house plus your state, and I'll break down zoning, land costs, and solar performance county by county. Subscribe for facts, not fantasies. I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm here to help you protect your retirement. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.